Now, by far the easiest way to talk about the Live Good comp plan, the affiliate pay plan, how do you make some moolah, okay, is, in my opinion, just inviting people to the Live Good website and having them click the link that has a perfect page of all 7 ways that we get paid on the membership side and a nice YouTube video made by Live Good, okay? So anyway, cheers. Let me put my drink over here and let me go ahead and shrink up. Boom. Okay, I'll be over here on the bottom right of your screen. Okay. Now, if you're interested in more information or joining Live Good, just go to joincory.com. All right, go ahead and do that. Now, let me show you how you can find that pay plan or affiliate pay plan link. Okay. Now, if you're on a cell phone, it'll be at the bottom of the Live Good website, or I'm on a home computer now. Just kind of scroll, pretty much to the bottom and watch the left of my screen. Okay, see where it says pay plan? Depending on the size of your screen, it might say affiliate pay plan. But if you have a smaller screen, I notice that affiliate kind of disappears, okay? So click the pay plan link. And let me just show you what the top of the page looks like. It'll have this green word that says affiliata, okay? Campo plano. Now, remember, we are a wholesale-based company via membership. Okay, you spend $9.95 a month, guys. You get wholesale on all our products. 90 some odd % of people that join Live Good, they want the products wholesale. So there's not a lot of markup on our products. All right, we have the most expensive ingredients, but no doubt no one's going to beat our prices because you buy our products to sell on the shelf or on an Amazon store, or maybe a gym you own or at the back of your trunk. Okay, but tons of people, they just want these products at a wholesale price for $9.95 a month. Okay, so just remember, we're not an MLM like where you have to buy products jacked up, completely overpriced, so that you can earn commissions for your upline and the owners of the company and you get like a penny. Okay, products have nothing to do with our membership side. Okay, for $9.95 a month, what a great deal, and I think you're going to like this opportunity if you're not already in Live Good. Okay, so this is the affiliate, section. So just scroll down. There's 7 ways. Now, I recommend not really reading all this stuff, 50% or 2%. You're going to start sounding like, is it Bernie Sanders or Kentucky Fried Chicken, Colonel Sanders? But I can't stand 2% or 5% and all these matrix things. It's a pain in the ass. Please just go to the bottom of the pay plan or the affiliate pay plan link on livegood.com. Go to the bottom here and you'll see this YouTube video. Just click it and watch it. Watch it 2 or 3 times. It explains the comp plan very easily and not all the nonsense of trying to read the ridiculously confusing page that some web designer made for the Live Good website. I mean, a NASA rocket scientist could probably not figure out what ranked to bronze, go down 5 levels and get 3% or 2% and 1. No one cares. Okay? I know I don't. I just care that I want my money every Thursday. We get paid, okay? And I want it to be accurate, which it is. And the computer figures all this stuff out anyway. So if you try to bore people to death and talk about how we get paid, don't. Livegood.com. Go to the bottom of your cell phone or your website. Either you're on a home computer or a laptop, right? And click that button right there. And you can't miss this cute girl here just itching her head going, what am I doing at the bottom of the website? Because this YouTube video, in my opinion, should be right at the top. Because 99.9% of my downline, okay, and I'll have over 500 people signed up just this, probably at the end of summer, they all just want to watch a video about the comp plan. They don't want to read about it, and they know I'm not going to get on the phone and try to bore them to death. So, okay, go to the FAQ section too, because there's a lot of questions here you're going to have, not just about the comp plan, but about account management. There's comp plan if you need it, but how does the memberships work? Orders, shipping, leads, and the website and the products, okay? Just go through all this stuff. I recommend go through every single one of them, all right? It's up to you how much time you want to kind of spend and get to know Live Good before you join. And then definitely go to the products tab and see all of our products. I mean, look at how many we have now. We debut 1 to 2 almost per month, 2 new products. Okay, we have a whole bunch. We have about 10 coming up by midsummer. But every one of these products, just high caliber, high end. Okay, we have the most expensive ingredients, but we're the cheapest because we don't mark up the products. This whipped tallow balm, it just came out, and boy, everybody's digging it. Okay, we have packages, of course. All right. And then t-shirts, hats. I got my Live Good hat on. You know, if you have a tank top, ladies. All right, some shirts for the guys, or even a hoodie, you know, or a what's it called, a beanie and a hoodie if it's wintertime, or just you're cold, you know. It's kind of have these things in the closet just in case, okay? But go through all these products. If you have any information, or if you need any information about any of them, just hit the white button that says Learn More. Obviously, you're going to learn more. You're going to see what it looks like, the stickers on the outside, hit these thumbnails. You can see how much the prices are. $25 if you're just shopping like at, let's say, Walmart.com or Amazon.com. Everybody likes to spend $9.95 on a membership. Because, boy, I'll tell you, if you like 3, 4, 5, 10 of our products each month, you're going to spend $10 to save like 50. Okay? Or more. Trust me. Just read about the description of all our products. You can see all the seals of approval, how to use the product. We even have direct competition. Okay? Factor 4. This is one of our top products. I think it's in the top 2. Every month, I think this is number 1 or 2. All right, but look at that, Dr. Sinatra. All right, and in this company here, but look at how much their products are. And ours are better. They're more powerful. I just know they are. Just look. We don't hide our ingredients. We list every single ingredient in every product, not just half the ingredients and mix them in. We don't hide anything. Okay? $18, guys. You can't beat it. All right, and like I said, all you got to do is just hit those white little rectangle buttons that say Learn More. And you know what? You're going to learn more. But please remember this. If you buy any of these products, you have 90 days, 3 months, guys. Okay, so if you order the collagen, you get it, let's say, I don't know, let's say you get it Friday. Okay, whenever you ordered that product and you get it within 90 days, all right, just set a timer, or I don't know, just look down at your calendar and circle. But most of these products, they're designed to use each month. So if you're waiting 3 months to try collagen, you probably haven't even opened the package. Or if you, I don't know, open it up and dump it into a Tupperware bowl and send back this empty package, you get a full refund. Try the patches. Try the creatine. All right, the methylene blue. This is all over, man. This is one of the most popular products on the planet right now. Okay, check it out. If you have no effect, or you think it's boring, or if you want your money back because you're broke, then hey, you got 90 days. No questions asked, guys. Just send back that box and all the methylene blue little packets, dump them out. Okay, no questions asked. I love it. All right, that's one of my most important things that I like about this company is the guarantee. So, okay, my goal is for you to go ahead and enter joincory.com in your browser, or maybe click it. I got a link underneath the video here always. Joincory.com. Just go there and watch a video. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. And he basically runs down what I guess, have done. Talks about the products, the opportunity. And I like that you get to know Ben. All right, good guy. All right, we have Ryan and Lisa. They design our products with Ben. We have Nodder, who's our VP of marketing. There's 4 people that run our company. All right, and they do live meetings every Monday. They do. Nodder just did a great training today, Wednesday at noon. Let's see, Thursday, there's an hour meeting just to join Live Good, ran by the Fab Four. And then on Friday, all 4 guys and Lisa, Ryan, Lisa, Nodder, and Ben. Those 4, and our meetings are always live noon on Eastern time because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida. But all of our live Zoom meetings are always noon Eastern. But you know what? They're always recorded, so don't worry. If you miss any of our live little sessions, our little webinars, don't worry about it. They're always on YouTube. Come to my YouTube channel. I record them all. All right? So anyway, joincory.com. Please go ahead and check it out. And if you join, I'm going to send you a nice email of exactly what I just kind of went over the last 10 minutes. And I'll show you what my business card looks like again, where I get email leads. How do I post on Facebook? Everything I do is all based on simplicity and duplication. Because if you join and you're kind of confused and you get stuck or stalled, that's not good. Okay, the trick to this business is to make it affordable. $49.95, boom, you're an affiliate. Pay $10 a month, get a nickel back, $9.95 a month, that's all. Okay, make a business card, get a domain name, forward it. All right, and just have fun. Let video do everything. Guys, in 2025, I think you'll agree. You just want to watch little videos. And if you don't want to do something, boom. If you don't understand something, rewind it, like the comp plan. Okay, but it's all about video now, not on the phone, not three-way calls, not going to someone's living room. You're not going to be calling me. I'm not going to be calling you, begging you to join. This is all like, hey, here's our opportunity. Watch the little videos. If you like what you see, awesome. If not, high five. Okay, joincory.com. Guys, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I'm done in 10 minutes and 30 little seconds. So peace and love. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day. Bye.